Now you can see.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
We're going to do another fun science experiment today. I'm here with
Jackson.
Carter.
Emmy.
Who's me?
Mama.
Oh, that's your name?
No.
Scarlet. Today's experiment uses simple ingredients that you should be able to find at your house. We are using milk, 3 colors of food coloring, dish soap, and a cotton ball. I'm going to pour the milk onto a plate. We're using a white plate so that you can see the colors show up really, really nicely. So you're going to pour the milk into the center of the plate, and you want to wait until the milk is pretty still.
Still?
Yeah.
We need more milk.
I think it's okay. And then we're each going to put 2 drops of our food coloring in the very center of our plate. Ready, Scarlett? Wait, don't turn it over. It's okay. We can clean your hands in a minute. Okay, here you go. You want to squeeze it? Okay, ready? 1, 2. Oh, that was a bunch. Okay. And now Carter's going to add some red to the center as well. Be careful. Don't move the table too much. You might want to put a little bit more so she kind of, okay. Now we're going to add some blue. All right, so I'm going to take my cotton ball and I'm going to dip it into some dish soap so that it kind of soaks up onto one side.
Where's mine?
You don't have one because it's going to be for all of us.
So there you can see my cotton ball is covered in dish soap, and I'm going to place that in the very center of our colors.
And it's doing this because it's pushing it out of the way so it can go down. And also it's absorbing it.
So the cotton ball does absorb a certain amount, but really what's happening here is a chemical reaction between the products within the soap and the products within the milk. Milk is a liquid, so it's made mostly of water, but it also has vitamins, minerals, proteins, and even quite a bit of fat in it. Soap, on the other hand, is also a liquid, but it doesn't have any fat in it. What do we use soap for? Cleaning our hands. So the whole purpose of soap is to kind of adhere to those gunky, dirty parts that are on your hand and wash them away. So one of the things it does really well is that the molecules within the soap like to attach to fat molecules. There's a lot of fat molecules in the milk, so when I put the soap into the milk, the fat molecules all kind of run away because they don't want to be clean. And you can see that by how quickly the water is moving. We are going to move you. The milk is moving, so you can kind of see how much it's still moving around.
Don't tie.
So, really cool chemical reaction between milk and soap that you could try on your own at home. I hope you guys have a chance to practice this. Remember to do it on a surface that's clean and that's easily cleaned up because you might accidentally spill a couple little drops of milk. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye. Bye.